Hi students, in earlier session I discussed indeterminate forms. When we are evaluating some limits, if it assumes indeterminate form, in that time we are using different techniques to evaluate that limits. That is by using L'Hospital rule and applications we discussed. So in this session I would like to discuss some more interesting problems on indeterminate form 0 by 0. Indeterminate form is 0 by 0. So let us see this evaluate limit extends to 0 x minus log of 1 plus x by 1 minus cos x. To evaluate this limit, take this function is let k is equal to let the function k is equal to limit extends to 0, it is x minus log of 1 plus x, this divided by 1 minus cos x. To evaluate this limit, you take, okay, first you apply the limit to this one, put x is equal to 0 here, 0 minus log of 1 plus 0 divided by 1 minus cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1, so it is log 1 is 0. In denominator it is 1 minus cos 0 is 1, which is equal to 0 by 0 is indeterminate. When it takes indeterminate form, so then you apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. So then we have k is equal to, applying L'Hospital rule means you differentiate numerator function and denominator function separately and then you apply the limit. Okay. So L'Hospital rule apply ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ numerator differentiation ಮಾಡಿ denominator differentiation ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ limit apply ಮಾಡೋದು. So then we have differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of log of 1 plus x is 1 by 1 plus x. This divided by 1 differentiation of 1 is 0 minus differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So now we have k is equal to, so this is k equal to limit x tends to 0. Simplifying this, it is 1 plus x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x. This divided by minus of minus, it is plus sin x. And in numerator we have this plus 1 cancelled with minus 1. Then we can write it is, which is equal to limit x tends to 0. Remaining here is x by sin x into 1 plus x. So this can be written as, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 x by sin x into, separately you apply the limit. Okay. This into limit, okay, I write here. So you write this as which is equal to, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 x by sin x into limit x tends to 0 1 by 1 plus x. So then its limit is 1 into, for this if you apply the limit 1 by 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1, so therefore the limit value k is equal to 1. So the limit of this function x minus log of 1 plus x, x minus log of 1 plus x by 1 minus cos x limits is 1. Okay. So again you take this one more problem, one more example. So take this is the limit extends to 0 e to the x plus sin x minus 1 by log of 1 plus x. So this divided by log of 1 plus x. Sorry. So let k is equal to, let k is equal to limit extends to 0. This is e to the x plus sin x minus 1 divided by log of 1 plus x. To this one you apply the limit. It is e to the 0 plus sin 0 minus 1 divided by log of 1 plus 0, that is log 1, which is equal to, this is 1 minus 1 by log 1 is 0. It is 0 by 0 is indeterminate. This assumes indeterminate form. Okay, then you apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital's rule. So then we have k is equal to limit extends to 0, differentiation of e power x is e power x plus differentiation of sin x is cos x minus differentiation of 1 is 0 divided by differentiation of log of 1 plus x is 1 by 1 plus x. This is 1 by 1 plus x. Now you apply the limit. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ k is equal to e power 0 plus cos 0 divided by 1 by 1 plus 0. So this where denominator is 1. In numerator it is 1 plus 1 divided by 1, which is equal to 2. So therefore the limit value k is equal to 2. It's like that. We have one more example. So that is limit extends to pi by 4. Evaluate extends to pi by 4. Limit extends to pi by 4, 45 degree. So this into secant square x minus 2 tan x divided by 1 plus cos 4x. 1 plus cos 4x, which is equal to, you apply the limit, it is secant square pi by 4 minus 2 tan pi by 4. This divided by 1 plus cos 4 into pi by 4, which is equal to secant pi by 4 is root 2. Yakandre cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Secant pi by 4 is root 2. Root 2 whole square minus 2 into tan pi by 4 is 1. This divided by 1 plus, actually this is plus, 4 cancels, remaining is cos pi. Cos pi value is minus 1. So which is equal to 0 by 0 is indeterminate. So is indeterminate. So if it assumes indeterminate form, so then you apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital's rule. So then we have k is equal to limit extends to pi by 4, differentiation of secant square x is 2 secant x, 2 secant x, differentiation of its power secant square ಇದೆ, so it is 2 secant x, tan square ಇದ್ರೆ 2 tan x. Again we have to differentiate secant x. Differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x minus 2 into differentiation of tan x is secant square x. This whole divided by differentiation of 1 is 0 plus differentiation of cos 4x is minus sin 4x into 4. which is now k is equal to limit x tends to pi by 4, x tends to pi by 4. As here we have 2 secant square x. You take 2 secant square x is a common factor from both the terms. If 2 secant square x is a common factor, remaining here is tan x minus 1. This divided by minus 4 sin 4x. Minus 4 sin 4x. Okay, again you apply the limit, which is equal to 2 secant square pi by 4 into tan pi by 4 minus 1 divided by here you can divided by minus 4 into sin 4 pi by 4. So then what happens, which is equal to 2 into secant pi by 4 is root 2 square, tan pi by 4 is 1 minus 1 divided by minus 4 into, here this 4 cancels, remaining is sin pi. Sin pi value is 0. Sin pi value is 0, which is equal to 0 by 0 is indeterminate. So again it takes indeterminate form. Is indeterminate. So then once again you apply L'Hospital rule. Applying L'Hospital rule, apply L'Hospital rule. So then k is equal to limit x tends to pi by 4. As to apply L'Hospital rule, you have to differentiate this numerator 2 secant square x into differentiation of tan x minus 1 is secant square x plus next step you take tan x minus 1 as it is. Differentiation of 2 secant square x is 2 into 2 secant x, differentiation of secant square x is 2 secant x into secant x tan x. Secant x tan x. In denominator we have minus 4 of sin 4x. Minus 4 of sin 4x. Minus 4 of differentiation of sin 4x is cos 4x into 4. Cos 4x into 4, which is equal to, you see this becomes, as in both the terms you can take 2 secant square x is common factor. So limit x tends to pi by 4 into, otherwise you apply the limits directly. So then we have limit apply ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, simplification and ಬೇಡ. So not necessary to simplify this further. So directly apply the limits. So if you apply the limits, so it is 2 secant to the power 4x. It is 2 secant to the power 4 secant to the power 4 x is pi by 4 plus 2 2s are 4 secant square, 4 secant square pi by 4 into tan pi by 4 into tan x is tan pi by 4 minus 1. This divided by 4 4s are 16 minus 16 into cos of 4x, that is 4 into pi by 4. 4 cancels, which is equal to 2 into secant pi by 4 is root 2. Root 2 to the power 4 plus this is 4 into root 2 square. Secant pi by 4 is root 2 square. Tan pi by 4 is 1 tan pi by 4 is 1 minus 1. This whole divided by minus 16 into cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. So that is k is equal to 2 into, you see this is root 2 to the power 4 is root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. 4 times you have to multiply that. Or in otherwise you write it is 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. This is 0. This divided by plus 16. Again this is k is equal to ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 1s 2 2s ಪವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 4 4 2s 8 8 by 16. So 8 1s 8 2s, therefore k is equal to 1 by 2. K is equal to the value of k means the limit value is equal to 1 by 2. Yes, similarly, one more example is here. Limit extends to 0, e to the ax minus e to the minus ax by log of 1 plus bx. To evaluate this limit, as usual, you take let k is equal to limit extends to 0, e to the power of ax minus e to the power of minus ax. This divided by log of 1 plus bx. Log of 1 plus bx. As you apply the limit now, k is equal to, this is e power 0 minus e power 0. This divided by log of 1 plus 0, that is log 1. Log 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0 by 0, which is indeterminate form. So then you apply L'Hospital rule. If it assumes indeterminate form, apply L'Hospital rule. So then we have k is equal to limit extends to 0. Differentiation of e power ax is e power ax into a minus differentiation of e power minus ax is e power minus ax into minus a. This divided by differentiation of log of 1 plus bx is 1 by 1 plus bx into b. Now to this you apply the limit. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. So which is equal to k is equal to a into e power 0 minus of minus plus a into e power 0. This divided by b by 1 plus 0. So that is the denominator as b only. K is equal to, this numerator becomes e power 0 is 1, a plus a is 2a, 2a by b. So it is the value 2a by b is the limit value of that function. Okay, similarly one more example is here. Limit extends to 0, a to the x minus 1 minus x log a by x square. To evaluate this, you take let k is equal to, take this function is, let k is equal to limit extends to 0, a power x minus 1 minus x log a. This divided by x square. Limit apply ಮಾಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, which is equal to a to the 0 minus 1, x ಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 0 ಆಯಿತು. This divided by x is 0. a power 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 by 0. This is equal to 0 by 0 is indeterminate. It takes indeterminate form. It's indeterminate. So then you apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. So if you apply L'Hospital rule to this, then k is equal to limit extends to 0. Differentiation of a power x is a power x into log a, minus differentiation of 1 is 0, minus differentiation of x is 1, 1 into log a, it is log a, this divided by differentiation of x square is 2x. After applying L'Hospital rule, just you put the limits. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಎ ಪವರ್ 0 ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎ, ದಿಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 0. This is log a minus log a is 0. It is 0 by 0, which is indeterminate. So it is indeterminate. Again, you apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. So ಮತ್ತೆ L'Hospital rule apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, k is equal to limit x tends to 0. So differentiation of a power x is a power x into log a. It is a power x into log a. Already a log a is there here. This into log a. This divided by differentiation of 2x is 2. So now you apply the limit. K is equal to a to the 0 into log a square, this divided by 2. So that is k is equal to a to the power of 0 is 1, 1 into log a square divided by 2 is the limit value. So that is log a square divided by 2. Okay, this is the limit value of the function. Okay, again you take one more example. Evaluate x tends to 0, 1 plus sin x minus cos x plus log of 1 minus x by x square into tan x. You take this function is, let k is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus sin x, so it is 1 plus sin x minus cos x plus log of 1 minus x, this divided by x square into tan x. So better you rewrite this is, which is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus sin x minus cos x plus log of 1 minus x, as it is numerator. In denominator you write only x square here, and separately apply the limit to this 1 by tan x. Limit x tends to 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ tan x ಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 1. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ tan x by x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 by tan x by x when x tends to 0 becomes 1 by 1 is equal to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ x by tan x ಇದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, tan x by x when x tends to 0 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ 1. ಸೊ ನಾವು if you apply the limit, this value becomes 1. K is equal to limit x tends to 0. This is 1 plus sin x minus cos x plus log of 1 minus x, this divided by x square into x is x cube. X square into x is x cube. Now you write k is equal to, so now this is you apply the limit then k is equal to 1 plus sine 0 minus cos 0 plus log of 1 minus 0, this divided by x is 0. So ಏನಾಯ್ತು, this is 0 and this is 1, log 1 is 0. So in numerator we have 1 minus 1, ಇದು 0, cos 0 is 1, log 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 divided by 0 is equal to 0 by 0 is indeterminate. So when it assumes indeterminate form, so apply L'Hospital rule here. Apply L'Hospital rule. So then k is equal to limit extends to 0. Differentiate numerator. Differentiation of 1 is 0 plus differentiation of sin x is cos x minus differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus differentiation of log of 1 minus x is 1 by 1 minus x. Again differentiation of 1 minus x is minus 1. Differentiation of 1 minus x is minus 1. This whole divided by 3x square. This whole divided by 3x square. Simplifying this and then you apply the limit. So now k is equal to limit extends to 0. This is cos x plus sin x. This becomes minus. ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಈಗ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈನಸ್, 1 minus x becomes x minus 1. Now this divided by this whole divided by 3x square. Apply the limit to this. K is equal to, it is cos 0 plus sin 0 plus 1 by 0 minus 1. This divided by 0, which is equal to cos 0 is 1 minus 1 by 0. This is equal to 0 by 0 is indeterminate. So once again, okay, again it takes the indeterminate form. Now you again you apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule. So then we have k is equal to limit extends to 0. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square minus 1 by x minus 1 square. This divided by differentiation of 3x square is 3 into 2x. Differentiation of x square is 2x. So again you apply the limit. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ k is equal to minus sin 0 plus cos 0 minus 1 by 0 minus 1 whole square divided by 0, which is equal to sin 0 ಅಂದರೆ 0, cos 0 ಅಂದರೆ 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 0, 0 by 0 again is indeterminate. So when it assumes indeterminate form, once again you apply L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule here. Apply L'Hospital rule. So then k is equal to limit extends to 0. Differentiation of minus sin x is minus cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Minus, when it comes to numerator, it is x minus 1 to the power minus 2. ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is minus 2 into x minus 1 to the power minus 3. This divided by 3 2s are 6 into differentiation of x is 1. To this one you apply the limit. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ k is equal to minus cos 0 minus sine 0 minus of minus plus 2 into 0 minus 1 to the power minus 3, this divided by 6, which is equal to cos 0 is minus 1, sin 0 is 0, minus 1 to the power minus 3 is minus 1, minus 1 into 2 it is minus 2, minus 2 divided by 6, which is equal to minus 3 by 6, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore k value is equal to minus 1 by 2. The value of k is equal to minus 1 by 2. So like this we can evaluate some more examples. You try to solve this limit of log of 1 plus x cube by sin cube x when x tends to 0, tan square x minus x square by x square tan square x when x tends to 0. Okay, so next session I discuss the another indeterminate forms. Okay, so thank you.